Hello friends, this is PVTS trading system and today we shall be watching the charts before the budget which was on 16th March 2012 Friday. We will be seeing two signals which were generated before the budget. One was buy, that is long, and other was short, that is sell. We will not book profit in between by ourselves. We'll wait for the signal to give the reverse direction and we'll change the position to the reverse. With the help of this system, we shall be in the position every time. As this is top and reverse system, we shall not be following any indicators or any media or any analyst. We'll just follow the PVTS trading system. The signals given by PVTS system are based on some technical commands given to the program which generates the good and best returns which are given on our performance on our website. We had uploaded 2011 since January 2011 to 31st December 2011 1 year performance of Nifty and Bank Nifty. There you can see we had 55 trades in 1 year, which means 5 trades in 1 month approximately. So you can see the chart now. At present we are in short position with 848 points of profit. You can see we are approximate 900 to 800 points profit, but we shall not book our profit in between by ourselves. We'll wait for the signal to give whatever profit it gives. This system can be played by anybody. See, now here we have a buy signal generated and we are getting 775 points profits in the last trade. We don't know what is going to happen, but signal is buy, so we are in long. We don't know on Monday what market is going to do. This is the Friday before the budget, 1 week ahead. See, now we are in gap up and immediately we are in plus 229 points. This system can be used by any ladies member sitting at house, as there is no technical knowledge required to play and make money, as we have made a very simple system. Anybody who is studying in college can use this system. Anybody is working at office can use this system, as this system works at your own desktop live with tick by tick charts. There is no data required or no installation required, as just you log into our website and you will get live charts at your own desktop. Anybody who is interested in money as a side income can use this system and make money. You can check the performance. We have also uploaded the charts of 2008 circuit, which was downward, where our signal was given 4 to 5 days before, and in upper circuit in 2009 19th May 2009, during the time of election, there was upper circuit and our system has given by 4 to 5 days before. There is no panic. You should just sit and watch the signal and play the side direction. You can see the signal was generated, and after that 3-4 days had passed. This is a fifth day. This is a budget day, and before the budget we had got sales signal. You can just see we had made 400 points in this signal. This is one day ahead of budget. This is 15th March 2012. We are in short position. See, the budget day has started. Now we are in 100 point, 18 point loss, 200 point loss, but no reverse signal is there, so we will not book our loss. 184 point loss will not book unless the reverse signal is there. We are holding our short position. See, now you can see that during the time of close of the market after budget, we are in 119 points profit. Our loss has recovered and now we are in profit. Now we don't know what Monday is going to be the market. What are the global, we are not concerned. What FII are doing, we are not concerned with their data. What government is going to do, what is the excise, what is the petrol price, we are not concerned with anything. Everything is merged in price, and the signals are based on technical analysis, so you don't have to worry what the rest of the world is going to do. Whatever they are going to do, we are going to make money both the side. This is only the market where you can make money in long side, that is teji, and in short side, that is called mandi. In other businesses, मंदी में हम बैठ के पैसा कमा नहीं सकते, जब इधर मंदी में भी पैसा बनता है by doing short sales. Here both the sides money is generated all the time. We hope that you have enjoyed the video of PVTS trading system, which is a mechanical trading system. Here दिल दिमाग को थाम के बैठना है, खाली सिग्नल को खेलना है, पैसा आपका जेब में आने वाला है. Thank you. For context, you can call on 98249 17017. Our website name is niftystatistics.in. You can log in and subscribe to the niftystatistics.in for PVTS system. You will get 1 hour tutorial before starting our subscription. When you have paid the amount, you will get 1 hour tutorial at your desktop, live with chatting in Gtalk, and live video will be there at your desktop. We will educate you how to play the signals. You will get each price where the signal is given. You will not skip 1 rupee more than the price. Only 2-3 signals in a year are there where market jerks suddenly and you skip off 30-40 points. That is minor, even though we are getting very huge profits. We hope you like the video, and interested can register and subscribe PVTS. Thank you.